How to remove text from video in Premiere Pro. So here we have hello, and we want to remove this. Now there is no magic AI that can just remove these pixels and fill in the missing data. However, there are a couple of workarounds. So the first workaround that I'm gonna show you is, well, you need to just copy and paste the same video track above it. So here we have two of the same video tracks. So go to Window, and then make sure that Effect Controls is turned on. So it's here. So make sure the top clip is selected. Then go to the motion. Let's crop the top. I'm gonna hide the original video underneath because I wanna select hello. So let's crop the top like this. Crop right like this. Crop the bottom. Then crop the left. Now let's do this, and what we need to do is move this video downward. So let's do that. Let's unhide this, and there you go. This is kind of one way of hiding it. The other way of hiding it, let's go to the window again, then click Effects. Just wait for it to load. Now make sure you go to Gaussian Blur. Select this tool, the rectangle tool. Let's just hide the text. Okay. And now let's just apply the Gaussian blur to the graphic here. Let's change the amount to this. We're gonna go to Shape 1, Fill. Let's take this pen. Let's maybe this. Okay. And there you go. That's the other way of blurring it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.